has committed suicide. This is what we are learning right now. Actor Sushant Rajput is no more. He was found, according to the information we have, hanging in his apartment in Mumbai. More details with my colleague Arunil. Arunil, what are we picking up right now? This comes as a shock to everyone.
Well, extremely shocking news. In fact, the Mumbai police has confirmed this, saying that actor Sushant Singh Rajput is no more. He has reportedly committed suicide at his Bandra residence, and investigation certainly will be carried out. So, what was the reason that forced Sushant Singh Rajput, one of the prominent actors, a recent actor also, basically he has acted in several hit movies as well, but yes, some of his previous movies have been flops. But what was the exact reason that forced an actor like Sushant Singh Rajput to take this extreme step? That will be investigated thoroughly by the Mumbai police. But yes, as per the preliminary information that we are getting, actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide at his Bandra residence, and the cops will be looking into this more. In fact, a few days back, the actor's secretary was also found dead in her apartment. So whether there was any connection with respect to that also probably will be investigated by the Mumbai cops. But actor Sushant Singh Rajput's demise comes as a major shock for the Bollywood fraternity as well. His fans have
I know this is a very early stage of the investigation, and the police, of course, will follow up with that investigation. But currently, as you say, they are categorizing this as a suicide. No foul play is suspected, and I don't want to speculate right now. I'm sure this is not just a shock to us, but also to his family. With due respects to his family, his friends, I just want to know whether the police is ruling out any foul play.
Well, it is very early to comment on this, basically, Athar, and the cops basically just mentioned about it, saying that they can definitely say that suicide is the reason wherein actor Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, suicide is the main reason. That's what the cops confirmed it. But yes, whether any other investigation will be carried out, whether they are completely ruling out any foul play with respect to the demise of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, that requires to be seen. His body was basically, mortal remains were basically found at his Bandra residence, and cops have definitely confirmed it. And but yes, around 4 days back, his secretary was also lost her life around 4 days back. So we're not basically speculating anything. It will be the cops who will be investigating further into this. But now the cops have definitely confirmed this, that one of the prominent actors at present, prominent male actors at present in the beatdown, Sushant Singh Rajput, who basically made his career by acting in television serials, and then after went on to achieve stardom in Bollywood as well. He's reportedly taking this extreme step. What exactly forced him to do this? Were there any financial constraints because of the lockdown as well? All these things will be investigated by the Mumbai police. But one thing can be confirmed, that actor Sushant Singh Rajput is no more. His body was found at his Bandra residence.
Now, this is extremely shocking news.